morning.
Morning.
Wasn't me.
How's your day going?
What are your charges? You're trying to infringe on my rights. You're trying to infringe on my rights, saying that I can report for that.
I say you can't record that.
Yeah, I can.
Get on your. Put it on the camera.
Don't grab it. I'm reading it.
Right there.
Is that the way you treat people?
There you go.
Is that the way you treat people?
Right there, bud. You want to get this
No
one?
unauthorized.
It's usually like a small group.
This guy's got the tyrant attitude, or what? What's your
Yeah,
name?
I got the tire net. What does it says like entrance? I'm trying to read.
What's your name, man?
They'll go down
No one except authorized
995.
court and court security personnel may engage in photography,
Hey.
recording,
Hey.
broadcasting,
Can't record the
Don't
entrances,
record
sir.
that.
Sure, I can.
microphone recorder or broadcasting device in any courtroom or courthouse. Hold on. I'm not finished yet.
Okay, go ahead.
In the county where the court conducts business, including all entrances,
Okay.
exits, hallways, escalators, elevators, adjacent or subterranean court parking areas, except as permitted by California Rules of Court, Rules 1.150.
No worries.
Or as
Yeah,
ordained
no worries.
by this order or other order of judicial officer as such.
So you told me it's illegal for me to stand in public and film.
That's exactly what he's saying.
You can film out there.
That's public. That's public. Who wrote that? Who signed that? What judge?
Do you have a question?
Email the judge.
I'm not online.
Department. Okay.
Okay, just take all your pocket items and put them in the bucket.
Yeah. Who says it's a standing order?
Yeah. So, your guy over here, you understand? You want to sit here, you're transparent. You still can't record.
I'm recording. I'm recording straight inside.
What am I doing?
It's happening right now.
Okay. You're gonna stop.
Nope. No.
So I'm allowed to stand
I'm gonna
here
stand
and
in
film?
public, and I'm gonna record this way,
So
this direction.
Okay, you can record the court.
I'm not in your courthouse. I'm not in your courthouse. I'm out in public right
you're
now.
Not. You're not to record the entrance of the courthouse.
Turn.
We're just letting you know not to door.
You can go out there and.
Oh, I'm live right now. You're live.
Okay. You can record me, right?
I already got you violating my rights, so I need your business names right now.
I already gave it to you.
What's your name?
I gave it to you already.
What's your name?
Again, we're acting.
We're out in Fresno at the courthouse. These guys are trying to say I can't point my camera in this direction. They're saying I can't stand in public and point my camera in this direction.
Sergeant Avila.
Is that what that's what you're saying, right?
We're saying you can't record the entrance. You can go outside the curtilage here and film whatever you want.
Anything we can see from public, we can record, man.
Not according to this. Not right here.
That's not talking about from the public standpoint. That's from inside, past your doors. You need to get
What part,
your door.
what part of including all entrances, exits? What is? That means you can't record any entrance or exit. So we're asking you to not stand right here, not record. If you want to go out and film back here, fine, okay. Outside the curtilage of the courthouse. If you want to be out the park and film this way, that's fine.
You want to give me a trespass notice or what?
Yeah.
Okay. If I'm refusing to leave without a notice of trespass.
Go find the judge to take it.
What's your name, bud?
None of your business.
Okay. Just curious.
I'm gonna put you in YouTube today on.
You already did.
No, trust me, bro. You're gonna get it. You think you're not? Who are you gonna tell you? You're already trying to infringe on my rights. That's all I needed.
I
don't need
didn't
nothing
infringe
else.
on anything.
Because we're out in public right now, man.
There's nothing you're gonna
It
do
has
now.
nothing to do with the court.
There's nothing you're gonna do now. That's gonna change the fact that you're tired.
She's usually
And
right
I'm
under
exposed to
that
like
tree.
one. I can promise you that.
Oh, it's 951. You'll notice like just people start gathering out here. But kind of what she looks like. She wears like a gray hoodie and like a hat. So like
Taking all their stuff away? And then that's gonna be...
Yeah, I think they meet like twice a year. And it's every week.
So
Yeah.
we're just waiting for Sergeant.
Usually he's out here. Did it more information?
She said it was fine.
He apparently can't read.
Yeah, it's like.
So Sergeant had to read the notice to him?
It's nothing
I don't
like
know.
official.
Why are you saying that I can read? That's very.
It's just something.
Is it because I have a strong accent? You're thinking that I can read? Seems like it. See, that's
Okay. Yeah.
You're very biased. You're very biased.
I can go ask her because I think that's her.
Thank you.
You said I'm fine here, right? Yeah. Okay. You said I'm fine here. We're in the courthouse in Fresno and they're trying to get us arrested.
Yeah.
We're filming right in front of the entrance.
So you're filming in front of the entrance.
Like we're standing like right in front. I'm actually live on Kerr County Transparency, and then we're filming right
At the Fresno courthouse. These guys threatened to take my shit away. Go ahead. Hey, they already told you you're good from right here, right? If you want to go to the sidewalk, though, go for it, man.
We go to the other end. Trash foods.
You want to just take them, put them in the CSU? We can do that. You want to leave them with us? We'll take them in. I'm not sure where they're going, but she'll be here tomorrow. Okay. What's up, Council? Hey, how's it going? Yeah.
This guy right here.
On the Belmont call, looks like on callback, the mail said that he
Where's
got a
your-
haircut.
Where's your buddy over there? Can we talk to you guys for a second?
Hey, Casey.
Can we talk to you for a second? Thank you. I just have something I have to read you guys. Huh? Okay. At this
No, it's
point,
voluntary.
you are being detained at this point. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead.
I'm being detained.
Listen, we're gonna read you the rest of this order real quick. It depends on what you guys do. Just
She
figure
said,
it out.
"Oh, we were fine to be here."
But you're not. We're gonna read you this order real quick and then we'll figure it out.
Okay, give me a second. Any court staff, security personnel, or police officer
Listen,
who becomes aware that a person is using a device in violation of this order is directed to advise such individual orally of this order and take steps to provide the person with a written copy of this order as soon as practical.
Didn't you say I was fine here?
Security personnel or a peace officer who has reasonable cause to believe a violation of this order has occurred are requested to prepare an incident report. And if the circumstances warrant immediate corrective action because the person persists in violating this order despite being informed, or it or has been violated the order in a way that appears to have a significant adverse impact on court security or the fair and orderly resolution of cases,
I will be detained.
shall take possession of the devices,
So I can walk
bring
away,
the
right?
persons without unnecessary delay to the courtroom judicial officer.
All right.
you done recording?
Now we're done?
On recording, you're gonna go to jail. That's all there is. There you go. That's better.
Why are you leaving? I already got you violating my rights. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. I got you, bro. I got you. I'm gonna put you on YouTube. Bye, Felicio. Bye, Felicio. I got you on YouTube. That's all I needed to put you on blast.
What's the county?
Parachuted? Yeah, I got hooked on that tree over there.
We know it's Fresno, but what's the county?
Did you drive here?
Yeah, but
What are you guys doing?
Dude,
filming.
What?
what's the
Vlogging?
county?
What's the
Are
county?
you, are you YouTubers?
It's a Fresno County?
Yeah.
But it's Fresno County. Yeah. Are you a lawyer?
Are you YouTubers?
Are you a lawyer? Cross-examination here?
I want to know who I'm talking to first, then I'll let you know.
That's cool. You can continue on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Secret, huh?
Right?
Secret. If you don't let people know, what you're kind of the general nature of what you're doing, people start thinking you're Russians trying to influence the election, right?
What?
What are you talking about, dude?
Oh my god. Yeah, that's what, pretty much. But I'm surprised, bro. It's still the judge and the DA that got my case dismissed because it was a wrongful warrant. You know, they're doing this to this courthouse. So I'm gonna have to get a hold of him.
He said, "Are you a chomo?" He asked you that. He's like, "What's your charge? Are you a chomo?" That fucking guy over there.
That's what he said?
Yeah.
We need to put a complaint in that.
I know, man.
Yeah.